Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Labyans, and you are watching Labyans YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. I will discuss about while speaking, you forget sentences, word meaning, vocabulary. Yeah, it's happened with everyone. When I uh, learning English, it's what's happening with me too. Do not think about it that while speaking I forget. Everyone, it's happen. So what you can do for that, like if you forget, so focus on the vocabulary, try to find out new word, practice every day. If you do like that, then you will not forget. Just keep in your mind one thing: practice, practice, practice. If you do practice, everything will be good. At the starting time, everybody face this issues problem. You can see to me, uh, I also have done my study 10 12 from Bihar board. So when I was learning English, I faced lots of problem. Even you can't think how much problem I did face. When I was learning English, I was not able to understand anything whatever teacher used to teach me. Really, I felt very bad. Means, when teacher is teaching to you, and teacher is giving to you 100%, and still you are not focusing on that and you are not able to catch, then it is a very same thing. You feel very same that teacher is teaching me but I am not able to understand, and teacher might be also think that I have been teaching to him since same thing 10 days 15 days, still he and she is not able to understand. So I was also in same, but I keep practice whatever teacher used to teach me. If I'm not able to understand, I used to go home, I watch YouTube, and used to practice everything you will find on YouTube. So do not do time pass. If you are really very interested, just fix your time, fix your goal, that you means uh, you need to promise yourself that I have to do, I don't have any other option, I have to do means I have to do. Think like that, then you can achieve. If you are thinking just okay, I will do today, or if I am, let it be, I will do tomorrow. No, do not think. Whatever you are doing, just complete first, then go ahead. At the starting time, I also faced so many problems. I also used to stuck while speaking, while talking to someone. uh, I did improvement on myself, I did practice lots of, and still I am doing it. As much as whenever I get a time, I try to learn new things, new sentences, new meanings. Whenever I see anything which I don't know, I try to find out what can be spoken in the English language. Like, as you know, I know Hindi, but I don't know in English. So when I don't know in English what to call, there and there itself I try to find out. You can also do it. I'm not a like a CBSE ISC board student, I am also BSc board. So at the starting time I also face so many problem. I can understand you are also having this type problem, but do not think about it. Just practice, practice, practice. That's it, nothing else. You can do it. I believe you can do it. So please follow me. uh, do subscribe my channel. If you learn anything from my side, from me, please do subscribe, support me. Subscribe, like, view, it is a motivational for YouTubers. So please do subscribe my channel, share with your friend. Or if I did anything wrong, please apologize for that. And day by day I'm trying to improve myself. Just support me, do subscribe. Thank you so much. Meet you in next vlog, another video. Thank you.